This next song is called Rain on Me. It's talking about, you know, the rain of refreshment. Sometimes we feel parched and dried, you know, in our walk with the Lord, in our relationship with God. So this song is called Rain on Me. The ground has been dry and parched. There's so much dryness and dustiness. There's a thirst and hunger in my heart, Lord. I'll not let it be silenced ever. Oh, rain on me, Lord. The rain of refreshment by your Spirit. Rain on me, Lord. Rain on me, refresh me, oh Lord. Don't need to look down anymore, but looking up to the eyes of my Savior, there is comfort and strength in your eyes, Lord. I look to them and I look to you for all that I need. Rain on me, Lord. Rain on me, rain on me. Wash away all the tiredness and the weariness. Rain on me, Lord. Come rain on me. Rain on me, Lord. Rain on me. Rain on me, Lord. Refresh me by your Spirit. Rain on me, Lord. Rain on me. Rain on me.